Hello guys, in this video I will be telling answers of the next spotters with explanations. So let's get started. If you like our video and don't want to miss any spotters, do subscribe Dr. LabMate YouTube channel. Let's start with the fourth case, and the case was
a 48-year-old farmer who works on a maize field for 10 years came to OPD. He complained of redness in eyes, corneal scraping was done, and this picture was obtained under microscope. Identify the probable organism, and here are your 4 options.
So let's start with the penicillium. It is a dimorphic fungi and occurs as an opportunistic infection in HIV infected patients. It has a central septation and appear as a brush border. There will be no bulge in vesicles of the conidiophores. Aspergillus fumigatus mainly present as acute pulmonary and allergic aspergillosis. Hyaline conidia arises from the upper third of the vesicles, while Aspergillus flavus is more common in sinus, skin, and ocular infection than Aspergillus fumigatus. In Aspergillus fumigatus, conidia arises from the entire vesicles. In mucor, most common presentation is ROCM, which stands for rhino-orbital cerebral mucormycosis. Mucor is a aseptate hyphae bearing conidiophores. For more detailed description of mucor, you can go to the link which is coming above in notification. So among all these options, correct answer is Aspergillus flavus. Now coming to the fifth spotter, and the case was
a 29-year-old woman presented with fever, painful micturition, lower abdominal pain along with vaginal discharge since 2 weeks. Gram stain of urethral discharge shows this picture. Identify the probable organism. And here are your 4 options.
So in the given options, meningococcus is a gram-negative cocci in pairs. It is mostly found in CSF and nasopharyngeal samples. The cocci are surrounded by capsule. Chlamydia does not stain on gram stain because it lacks peptidoglycans and muramic acid. Neisseria gonorrhea are intracellular kidney-shaped gram-negative cocci in pairs. They are mostly found in the genital samples. Acinetobacter we already discussed in the first spotter. They are gram-negative cocobacilli in pair and appear as figure 8. So the correct answer is option C, Neisseria gonorrhea. Now coming to the sixth spotter, and the case was
a 12-year-old child suffering from watery foul-smelling diarrhea since 2 days. Wet mount of stool reveals this presentation. Identify the probable organism. And here are your 4 options.
Among all 4 options, Toxoplasma shows a gliding motility. Giardia has a falling leaf motility. Chlamydia is a non-motile gram-negative intracellular bacteria. And Listeria shows tumbling motility. So if we see carefully, here organisms are showing a typical falling leaf motility, suggestive of Giardia. So our final answer is Giardia. Thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Take care.